A key part of your inspection is Step 9, which deals with your door tracks. First, make sure the vertical track and the horizontal track are properly aligned where they meet, and that they are welded or fastened in such a way that there is no obstruction inside the track. Generally, check to make sure there is nothing inside the track obstructing the rollers. Make sure the bolts or other fasteners used to attach the tracks to the frame and sidewalls are flush and not sticking out like this. Obstructions inside the track can cause the door to hang up and can cause rollers to go flat on one side like this. A clicking sound when opening and closing the door is often a telltale sign of an obstruction. Now it's time to check the proper door and track alignment. It is critical that the vertical track is square with the horizontal track. The distance between the horizontal tracks and the vertical tracks should be the same. If it isn't, the horizontal tracks should be shimmed accordingly. Another good way to check for alignment problems is to inspect the gap between the door and the horizontal track. A gap larger than 5/8 of an inch, like this, is too wide. A good indicator that the gap is too wide is a roller stem that is recessed into the hinge like this. Over time, the roller could wedge within the hinge, causing damage to both the hinge and the roller. The roller stem should stick out beyond the hinge like this. Genuine TODCO parts always work best with your TODCO doors, and in this case, the roller stem has the small T on it that you see here. Another check is to make sure that there are spacer washers on the proper roller stems and that there are no rollers that are out of the track like this one. Spacer washers play an important part in the proper alignment of your TODCO door. At the time of installation, 1 to 4 washers should have been placed on the left and right sides of the first section joint up from the bottom and the first section joint down from the top of the door. When placed properly, these washers will help hold the door square with the track so it can open and close easily. If the washers are absent or placed on other rollers, the door could bind and become hard to operate. TODCO offers specially designed split spacer washers that can easily be added to the roller stem without removal of the roller, end hinge, or door. The gap between the edge of the door and the horizontal track should look more like this. By the way, this is the location, inside top right-hand corner, of the TODCO door serial number plate. Please provide this number to TODCO when ordering any parts to ensure an exact fit.